One of the things I really love about trading Forex is not only the financial freedom it affords you, but also the time and then the location freedom it gives you. Trading Forex allows you to literally be able to trade from any part of the world at any particular point in time, as long as you're trading and then making money to cover whatever expenses you incur in whatever city, whatever country you're literally staying. So if you've been following me on all my socials, you realize that for the past couple of weeks, I've literally been on a short vacation to Cape Town, South Africa, to just chill, relax, and then unwind. At the same time, trading and then making money with my community as well. So I've been here for the past 2 weeks, and I might be staying for about a month or two to just, enjoy a change in scenery. While on vacation, I realized that for a while, I've not really been as active on the market as I've been in the last previous months. So once you tune in to be on vacation mode, it's almost like your subconscious picks it up and you are not as productive as you might always be. So I just decided this week to just be much more focused on the charts and then look for much more amazing trading setups with the basic trading concept you've learned from my channel on here. I resumed trading a few days ago, trying to find some beautiful setups on the market. I got a 9 setup, but unfortunately, we got taken out on a particular position. So what we always advise is, as traders, make sure you have your risk management in place, because bad days will come. So there are days where we lose, you don't always win. There are also days where things also go your way. And when things go your way, you need to also make sure you maximize that particular opportunity, because a good setup is a good setup. So basically, what happened was yesterday, I got another, beautiful bullish position on gold shared with the community. So make sure you use the link in the description to join the trading community. If you want to also be a part of my private trading room as well, feel free to also take advantage of that. So I've been enjoying the city, I've been enjoying the food, I've been enjoying the amazing views, I've been enjoying the beaches. I literally stayed in a beach villa for about 2 weeks before moving to the city, because I also wanted to enjoy the nightlife and the lights and the views as well. So basically, I've been here for the past 2 days trying to just unwind and relax. I've been moving a lot of my stuff because I've been moving to a new place. So literally, I've not had enough time to be really focused on the charts. So yesterday, I settled in finally yesterday. As always, I went onto the charts and then we found an amazing trading opportunity with my inner circle. Over 500 people in there. Make sure you're also a part of us. Join the link in the description. You can also stay in the community to enjoy my free trading calls as well. Also highly accurate over there as well. So basically what happened was simply finding another beautiful opportunity on gold yesterday with a simple trading strategy, a trading technique I've talked about so many times. I know it's been a while since I last dropped a YouTube video. I've gotten so many requests. Come on, when are you dropping your next YouTube video? It's been a while I saw a new educational content from you. What we're doing today is basically taking advantage of this opportunity to learn something new. If you've been on this channel for a while, it's basically polishing all the amazing nuggets you've gotten from me. If you're new to this channel, you will be learning something new, something you might have known for a very long time. Very simple and straightforward, but you might not know how to maximize and then take advantage of it to also make a lot of money trading on the Forex market. So guys, if you look right on the charts, you can see my gold charts. This is basically the 4-hour time frame. If you quite remember the last YouTube video I made on trading gold, what I basically said was it was extremely compliant to market structure. Basically means that it literally follows whatever structure the market provides for you, whether the highs, the lows, the breakouts, the retests, the support resistance levels. It literally respects them very much. What do I always say anytime I open my charts? I've said it so many times, I'm gonna keep saying it. I always want to first mark out my most recent high as well as my most recent low. So what happened at my most recent high on the 4-hour basically was we had a breakout. Once we had a breakout, what does it simply mean? That we simply adjust it to the next high, which is on this particular level here. It means that once we've broken out of here, if we want to take any other trade on our resistance, we will be targeting the market to travel up this far. At the same time, you also see a psychological number here. If I say psychological levels, basically round numbers where the market normally travels on most of these commodities as well as indices, which I've set for myself. So you can clearly see I have 2450 here, I have 2425, I have 2400, I have 2375, 2325, 2300. There's also 2350. I think I missed the 2350 as well. So let me just place that one quickly here. I think I'll be making a video explaining to you how I draw my psychological levels. So you're also able to take advantage of them. So I simply just type in 2350, then I hit OK, then I just lock it. That way it doesn't shift when I mistakenly drag it. Then I also mark out the previous resistance in case the market comes back there. I will be expecting a retest on that particular key level. All right, pump the brakes, guys. Let me tell you guys about Fast Bull. So basically, Fast Bull is a fast-growing fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis platform. Recently, they've undergone so many changes that enables you to have amazing features on the platform. You've seen it in so many of my videos. What we'll be doing today is basically talking about a chat room feature. So on your screens, you can clearly see the chat room feature on here. Right on the chats, you can access the chat room by simply coming to products and then coming to the chats. So you come to products here, then you easily come to the chats, access the chat, be a part of global chat room in here. You can search for as many chat rooms as you can all the way in here. Then the easiest and the most straightforward one is simply accessing the chat icon right at the bottom right of your screen. You can easily find so many chat rooms in there. And the amazing thing about this feature is that you can have it in as many languages as you want. So you can have it in English, accessing the chat room in here in English. You can also easily access it in Spanish. So you have the chat room here in Spanish. I'm basically going to switch to as many languages as I can. You can also access the chat room in Indonesian as well. You can also clearly see we can have it in Arabic as well. So you can also have it in Vietnamese, as you can clearly see as well. Also easily access it in Chinese. Chat with as many traders from as many parts of the world as possible and have a proper understanding of market dynamics. All you need to do is simply use the link I'm going to leave down below. You can easily download Fastbull in the pinned comment I'm going to leave. You can also easily go to the website, make your trading life as flexible as possible. Let's get back to the video. So what happened here? Now, first candle came in, you realize that it went up, it failed to break that particular 2450 psychological level. Now I like to look at what's happening exactly on the lower time frame. So then I just switched to my 15 minutes time frame to just see what the market is basically doing there. So at the same time, you can see my retest level there, the previous resistance where the market broke out of. So if we zoom all the way back, you can clearly see what this was, that particular key level. So now what happened was I was actually in some short-term sells. We got about 30 pips on it and I literally asked everyone to exit that particular trading position. We're just getting some sort of rising wedge on here. So the moment I saw a breakout of that particular rising wedge, that is exactly where I brought in my parallel channel. I'm expecting the market to at the very least drop all the way to the previous resistance. So what happened was basically now the next candle dropped nicely, then it came all the way to hit that price. So once it taps into that level, what do we see? We want to look out for how the market will react on that particular key level in case it will be a trade for a retest back to the upside. So we just wait for the market to basically react. We look at the price action, then we find a confirmation on this particular trade. So like I said, we got our 30-40 pips. The moment I saw the market pull back and give us this particular candle, I just quite literally asked everyone to exit this particular trading position. So having these candles form this sort of curve pattern in here, failing to break this particular price, quite literally told me to expect a bullish position on the gold now. Entry just around this price, stop loss right at the bottom of the range. Then we are basically targeting the price up here. So we ended up making over 200 pips on this simple trading position. Basically, this is what happened after consolidated a bit, then stretched its final take profit before eventually dropping. So I think today is NFP, first Friday of the month. You know basically what we mean when we talk of NFP, basically talking about the unemployment data, new job creation data, average hourly earnings in the US. So we'll be waiting for that in the New York session. So make sure you're part of the community. I'll most likely be sending a signal in there if I have a beautiful setup. We might already even be done trading it by the time this video gets out. So if you want me to make much more videos like this, much more vlogging, engaging content while I'm here in Cape Town, simply like this video, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you get into anytime I go live or anytime I drop a new video on YouTube. You also want to use the link in the description to sign up with my recommended broker with the best trading conditions, tightest spreads, instant deposits and withdrawals, as well as 24/7 customer service. You want to also use the link in the description to also join my trading community on Telegram, where I drop my trading nuggets, where I drop weekly trading signals as well. And then before I leave, I also want to remind you that my August advanced mentorship session is coming up on the 24th, 25th, as well as the 30th and then the 31st of this month. It will be happening on Zoom, a live session. It is not a pre-recorded course, it is a live session. So you want to be a part of this particular class by simply using the link in the description to register and then book your slot. It is going for simply $120. You get to be a part of this class regardless of your geographical location. All you need to do is to be available at exactly 4 p.m. GMT on the 24th, 25th, 30th, as well as the 31st of August. Thank you very much for joining me in this one. As always, I'm KOMMONFOREX and I hope I left you better than I found you. See you all in the next one. I'm out.